swimming in this stuff on the other side. Like, they don't even know what's in the river. Guys, Billy Mack here for another adventure. We are here down at Alton Pond, checking out some areas down here. I see some trash in the water. Maybe we'll do some magnet fishing. Maybe we'll just explore the area a little bit. It's a dark day. It's raining out. It's cloudy, but this area is cool. It's super pretty. We're gonna hang out here. We're on the Wood River. I mean, it's a pretty area. I see some trash down here. Maybe we should get the claw out. Let's do a little magnet fishing. Let's do a little trash cleanup. This is gonna be fun. I have not been here in a long time, and I think it'd be neat to see what we can find. Maybe it was the old handrails. That's cool. Look at this. It's already heavy. How do you feel it? Look at this. Nails. I wonder if the old bridge here was wooden. And that's what all this sediment is. It's all... You know? That just shows you how polluted this river really is. I mean, this is steel. You know, iron ore, etc. For years and years and years and years and years. Can you imagine being down here fishing or swimming or even just playing? I mean, I got a couple kids across from the other side of the pond swimming. They probably have no idea what's in this river. Wow! I can open a hardware store. Wow! And just think, kids were swimming in this stuff on the other side. Like, they don't even know what's in the river. You get this in your foot? That's a nasty day. Nasty day. Yeah, this had to be a wooden bridge at one time. Amount of nails I'm finding. Oh, spider, spider, spider. Wow, look at all the spiders on this bridge. No. Oh, I got some. Piece of rebar. No, that's not a piece of rebar. Yeah, a piece of rebar. That's cool. Wow. So we got caught in a little downpour. Fog rolled in. Weather changed really quick. It happened really, really quickly. So we're back here at the house. Showered up, changed. It was crazy. It happened so quick too. Anyways, so we found some cool stuff at the Alton Pond. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. See ya.